What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hungry Road. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time seeing my face, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and like the video while you're at it. But today is Wingsgiving. Yes, that's right. This is the third annual Wingsgiving, and we're hosting it again here at Coles Road Brewing in Berlin, Connecticut. Now, Wingsgiving is all about just bringing your favorite wings. You can make them yourself, or you can buy some, bring them in for share. So let's shoot up in here and see what's going on, because this is the third year I've been doing it, and people were here before I got here. This is how serious this is. So we up in here, up at Coles Road. Let's go. Quick camera turn around, walk up in here. You got a whole bunch of people already up in here. It is like barely 1 o'clock. We got all this food here. People are not wasting any time. We got my wings over here in the corner, tucked up with something special. We got stuff from Randy's Worcester Street. We got Jerry's Pizza. We got Robin Meg's down here. We got the Groggy Frog in the building. We got some custom made wings right here. Check them out, check them out, check them out. We got a table of blue cheese and carrots and plates. And then we continue on. Bidwell Tavern, Island Spice from Sliders and Honey Chipotle. We got some homemade jerk wings. I mean, there's so many different flavors here. I will not be reviewing many of these because, oh man, see, there was 2 of these earlier and only one's left. Nice job, guys. We got the hot sauce challenge. We might do that a little bit later, but yeah, man, it's just a celebration of all things wings. You can see everybody's up in here. They're hanging out. A lot of good beers there. It's the third year we've done this, and we're gonna try to keep it going for as long as we can. So yeah, man, let's chase some of these wings out.
Oh, I love the drop-in. Huge fan. I love faces with numbers in the name. Yes, winner! What'd you win, Catherine? Ooh, yeah!
They're under renovation. You can't go until Tuesday. I went yesterday. I won't get it. 635 976.
Monique, how do you feel about not winning anything so far?
Fucking
635 966.
Oh, back in the room, dominating these days. Nice. There it is. All you ever do is win, no matter what.
Guys, this has been the craziest Wingsgiving. I didn't have time to really sit down and eat. I've had like 3 or 4 wings, but the wings people brought this year were absolutely phenomenal. We heard wings from places I'd never heard of. Pasta Heaven. We had Rob, and what's this guy? These little guys right here. Scotch Bonnet Barbecue, Bob and Meg's up and coming restaurant. Where are they located? Rust Belt Provisions. I got a QR code here. I don't know. Fantastic wings. 3 people brought wings from Sliders. Sliders is killing it today. We had these Nashville smoked honey hot ones. Check these guys out right here. Absolutely beautiful. There were 2 of these. Now it's just literally 4 wings left. Insane. It's been a good time. We have buffalo dip pull up. We had cookies pull up. I mean, it's been an absolutely amazing time. We just did a gift card giveaway. So I want to give a big special thank you to Groggy Frog, to the Blind Rhino, to Dewdrop, to Station 25. I want to say Station 19 because of the show. I want to give a big thank you to Bear Smokehouse as well. Am I forgetting anybody? Hair of the Dog in Milford. Just want to thank them for donating gift cards to give away, to give to the cause. I didn't get to do the hot sauce challenge thing I really wanted to do because people were so full on wings, man. It wasn't going to be doing a hot challenge after eating all these wings. So we just did a random raffle to get sauce on my shirt. We're good. But yeah, man, this might be it. I might check back in with y'all later. It's time to party and hang out. Guys, I'm about to sign off. It's been a good time. It's about 5 o'clock. Been here since noon. It's been a good run. We're sharing the wings now, the extras. are being run through right now. You got to-go containers back that way. If you missed Wingsgiving this year, I hope you can make it next year. We're going to continue to do this year after year until I'm exhausted. We got this guy here. He made one of the best wings of the whole time. Everyone kept asking me, who made the Nashville hot smoke? And I had to point to this guy right here.
Honey truffle, baby. Hot honey truffle.
That's the secret. So,
Nashville.
we're signing out. Remember, there's never an empty tank or any stomach on this road. I'm going to give one late shout out to Jimmy's Place. They pulled up. I don't see where they went. They were just here. I don't know. But thank you, Jimmy's Place, for coming through. They brought another gift card for us to give away. And wings, honey garlic, amazing. Everything was great. We have so much left over. Take care, guys. Stay safe. Thank you.